This morning there's so much to do.
I don't think fishing's gonna get done until a day when I don't close the night before. Well, I've decided to take a page out of No Agenda's playbook and accept donations so that you can become executive producers. All donations will go directly to improving the quality and the content of the project. I thought it'd be a cool experiment to set that up and see what happens, you know? I'll put a link up in the sidebar. Tonight after work I'm gonna go to a concert with Job. It's there at the Eastside Tavern. You know, the guy who owns the Eastside Tavern is actually running for mayor this year. I have no clue what kind of music they play. I trust Job's intuitions on music. Gnome! Another letter to Kim. I don't write her nearly as many letters as she deserves. Alright, off on my way to work today. The clouds are coming in. Alright, I'm off of work and Job's on his way. Yeah, that's about how it is.
How you feeling, Joe? Delightful. El Rancho is calling.
Well guys, thanks a lot for watching. It's gotta get better and better from here. I'm getting hiccups.